So what's up guys, here we are back again with another video, and in this video we'll be talking about Williamson Ship Management Deck Cadet selection for 2021 batch. So finally the application form is out officially. As here we are on the official website of Williamson, where we can clearly see Deck Cadet Selection 2021 tab on their official website. So guys, after clicking on that tab, we'll be proceeded to the next page where we'll get more information about the application form. At the top we'll get information about the last date of application, which is 30th of April 2021, and later after that we'll get many more information like application form, eligibility criteria, and more instructions and admit card. In the description of this video you will get the download link for all the documents, but before that let me explain all the documents one by one. So guys, first of all we'll talk about the Williamson Ship Management application form. So the application form is same like the last year. We can see the official company's logo here and some more information like Deck Cadet Selection 2021 application form. And the very first information here it is given, which is mandatory, that it should be filled in block letter only, means the application form must be filled in capital letters only. And the second most important information, which is mandatory for all sponsorship exam, that it is mandatory to appear in CET conducted by Indian Maritime University. This means you have to give the IMU CET exam conducted by IMU this year, that is August 2021 batch. Later, talking about this application form, it has 2 pages. We have to take print of these 2 pages and we have to fill it with the pen in block letter. After completing this form and attaching a passport size photograph, we have to scan it and send it to the provided email ID, which is vishaldongrikar@williamson.com. In the same mail we have to send some more documents, which are class 12th mark sheet, class 10th mark sheet, and date of birth certificate. For 2021 board student, if the result is not declared, you can send the class 12th mark sheet in the later stages. For reference, I will attach my application form in the description of this video, from where you can see how I filled this application form last year, so that you can easily fill this application form, so that your application form will not be rejected by IMTC. After application form, now let's talk about eligibility criteria. The educational qualification required for WSM is you must have 60% at least in PCM in class 12 and 50% in English, and overall percentage must be more than 60% in first attempt only, means no improvement candidates are allowed. मतलब जिनका एग्ज़ाम एक बार हो चुका होता है क्लास 12 का, और वो बच्चे फिर से इम्प्रूवमेंट का फॉर्म फिल करते हैं फॉर फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री और मे बी मैथमेटिक्स, तो वो अलाउ नहीं है इसमें. एंड दोज अवेटिंग रिजल्ट्स मे ऑल्सो अप्लाई. It means the student of 2021 board exam who haven't given their exam yet can also apply for this application form. Talking about the age criteria, the cadet must be born on or after 1st January 2002 only. And as I told you before, you must have to qualify Indian Maritime University Common Entrance Test for August 2021 batch, which will be conducted around July 2021, not May 2021, due to increment in COVID cases. And the medical requirement is you must be medically fit as per standard laid down by Directorate General of Shipping, Government of India. To know more about the medical process, you can watch my old video by clicking on that I button. And the last criteria is candidates who have completed or undergoing the pre-C training should not apply for this application form. It means candidates who are pursuing DNS, BSc and BTech or have completed these courses cannot apply for this application form. So guys, after clearing all the doubts regarding the eligibility criteria, now let's talk about some more important instructions which is provided by them on their website. The first one is we have to send our application form on this email ID only. मीन्स जो हमने अपना एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म फिल करके स्कैन किया हुआ है और जो 10th और 12th का मार्कशीट और डेट ऑफ बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट है वो हमको इसी ईमेल आईडी पर भेजना है, तभी आप का एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म एक्सेप्ट होगा. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट इंस्ट्रक्शन इज ऑनलाइन टेस्ट फॉर एलिजिबल कैंडिडेट विल बी हेल्ड एट मुंबई. डेट्स ऑफ ऑनलाइन टेस्ट विल बी इन्फॉर्म टू शॉर्टलिस्टेड कैंडिडेट्स. हियर वी हैव टू मार्क द वर्ड एलिजिबल कैंडिडेट्स एंड शॉर्टलिस्टेड कैंडिडेट्स. मतलब अगर आपने एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म फिल करके सेंड कर दिया है, अगर आपका एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म एक्यूरेट और करेक्ट होता है तभी आप एलिजिबल कैंडिडेट्स को अलाओगे, तभी आपको आगे का प्रोसेस का मेल आपको मिलेगा, जैसे कि ऑनलाइन टेस्ट, इंटरव्यू. And the third instruction is based on online test result, candidate will be called for interview at Mumbai. So guys, after clearing the online test, you will be called for interview at Mumbai. Both the interview and online test will be conducted at Mumbai only. And the last important instruction is again about the mail only. You have to fill the application form accurately and correctly and scan that, and we have to attach some more document like class 10th and class 12th mark sheet, and along with them we have to attach date of birth certificate, and we have to send it to this email ID only, and in the subject of that email we have to write DEC Cadet Selection 2021. So guys, after application form, eligibility criteria and important instructions, we have to cover some more instruction which is related to your 12-month training in institute and 18-month training on board. So let's cover one by one all the points. So guys, the first important instruction is again about the IMU CET only. It is mandatory to clear IMU CET August 2021 batch. So गाइज, मैंने अपने पहले भी वीडियो में बहुत बार बता रखा है कि जो स्पॉन्सरशिप होता है उसका लास्ट स्टेज IMU CET होता है। जब आप वो क्लियर कर लेते हो तभी आपको ऑफिशियली सिलेक्शन का मेल आता है, उसमें लेटर स्पॉन्सरशिप का जो भी होता है वो उसके बाद ही आता है। तो आपको IMU CET 2021 अगस्त बैच वाला क्लियर करना ही है, और जो अगर उसका एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म आएगा तो उसका अपडेट आपको इस चैनल पर मिल जाएगा। In the second point, it is mentioned that after the selection by the company, you have to pursue diploma in nautical science by the institute told by the company only, and its expenses will be approx 5,25,000. So guys, the third point is all about your class 12 board exam. Here it is given that the student who have completed their board exam after 1st January 2020 are only eligible for this एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म। मीन्स जो बच्चे अपना बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम 2020 के बाद दिए हो 1 जनवरी 2020, मीन्स जो 2020 का बैच था और 2021 का बैच जो एग्ज़ाम देने वाला है वही सिर्फ इस एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म के लिए एलिजिबल है। उससे पहले वाले जो कि 2019 2018 वाले वो एलिजिबल नहीं है इस फॉर्म के लिए। और यहाँ पे एक और पॉइंट दे रखा है, दोज हू मस्ट हैव टू पास द एग्ज़ाम इन फर्स्ट अटैम्प्ट। मीन्स यहाँ पे इम्प्रूवमेंट अलाउ नहीं है। जैसे कुछ बच्चे जिनका 2020 में PCM परसेंटेज या फिर जो ओवरऑल परसेंटेज वो कम आया हो और वो इम्प्रूवमेंट का फॉर्म फिल किया हो, वो अलाउ नहीं है। आपको फर्स्ट गो में ही आपको अपना क्लास 12 कंप्लीट करना है 60+% से। And in the fourth point, it is all about structured shipboard training program which will be provided by your institute only from where you are pursuing DNS. So don't take tension about this now. In the fifth point, some courses are given which you have to pursue during your cadetship, and the expenses of those courses will be borne by you only, and those expenses are given here. All these courses will be done by you in IMTC, which is a training center of WSM cadets in India. It is located in Mumbai. Point 6 is all about your Indian passport. You must have a Indian passport, valid Indian passport, before the commencement of the course. And here the commencement of the course is given around 16 July, which is not possible due to rise in the COVID cases. In the seventh point, some unfair means and false representations is described, which means if you are providing any wrong information about yourself like class 12 percentage or some age criteria, you will be disqualified immediately. An important instruction is given in seventh point is there is no authorized person or agent in WSM which can give you a seat in Williamson Ship Management. So don't be in a trap of any kind of this person. In the 8th point, it is clearly mentioned that the eyesight and the medical standard in this career are quite strict. Means you have to pass the medical examination which is done by DGS approved doctor. To know more about the medical examination, you can watch my recent video. In the 9th and 10th point, expenses related to your online tests, psychometric test and medical test is given. 1,000 for your online test which will be conducted in Mumbai, and 9,000 for your psychometric and medical test. And these all expenses will be paid by candidates only. In the 11th point, some more information regarding to your interview is given. After clearing your online test, you will be shortlisted for interview and will be called to Mumbai. And we have to bring some original documents along with us to the Mumbai for interview. Those documents are class 10th and 12th original mark sheet and IMU CET admit card. And you can bring some more certificate. If you have achieved something in your life, you can bring the certificate of those achievements too. Point C, it is given that all the expenses which is incurred during the selection procedure, means your traveling, your boarding, your lodging, all the expenses will be borne by candidates only. Means you cannot ask for money to the company. In the last point, the 12th point, it is given that these selection criteria and selection processes are the only way to get in this Williamson Ship Management. So guys, your last document is your admit card which is required if you are going for online test. So guys, this is the format of your admit card which you have to fill by yourself, and some information will be given by WSM, and you have to attach your photo here and give your information here, and you have to bring this admit card along with you if you are going for your online test. So guys, this is the end of this video. I have provided all the important instruction information regarding WSM application form. सो गाइज जो जितने भी मैंने आपको डॉक्यूमेंट्स दिखाए हैं उसके लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे, आप वहाँ से जाकर डाउनलोड करके पढ़ सकते हैं खुद भी। और जो मैं अपना सपोर्टिव में जो अपना एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म फिल किया था लास्ट ईयर वो भी उसमें अटैच कर दूँगा, वहाँ से आप जाके देख सकते हैं कि मैंने अपना एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म कैसे फिल किया था। उस तरीके आप भी फिल कर सकते हैं और भेज सकते हैं, क्योंकि अगर आपने एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म अगर सही से फिल नहीं किया तो आपका एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म रिजेक्ट हो सकता है। और डेफिनेटली मैं एक वीडियो बनाऊंगा विलियमसन के ऑनलाइन टेस्ट पे, इंटरव्यू पे, साइकोमेट्रिक टेस्ट और मेडिकल टेस्ट, उसमें सब कवर करूंगा। तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना, और अगर ये वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगी हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर देना, और अगर कोई भी डाउट रहेगा तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं।